Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure contains a 5-membered carbocyclic ring, making it a cyclopentane derivative. Moving on to the next step. Attached to one carbon of the ring is A, C, is equal to O, NH2 group, which is an amide, carboxamide, functional group. Because the carbonyl carbon is exocyclic, not part of the ring, the compound is named as a cyclopentane carboxamide, using the carboxamide suffix for an exocyclic, COM2 group attached to a ring. Moving on to the next step. A methyl group, CH3, is attached to the carbon adjacent to the carbon bearing the carboxamide group. And for the final step, the carbon bearing the principal characteristic group, carboxamide, receives the lowest possible locant, it is C1. The adjacent carbon carrying the methyl group is therefore C2. Parent ring is equal to cyclopentane, exocyclic amide suffix is equal to carboxamide, methyl substituent at C2 methylcyclopentane 1 carboxamide, commonly written as 2-methylcyclopentane carboxamide. No other options are provided to eliminate, but alternative incorrect names such as methylcyclopentanamide would fail because they imply the nitrogen or ring carbon is the amide carbon rather than an exocyclic one. Therefore, the correct answer is 2-methylcyclopentane carboxamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.